someone good. All right, everybody, good morning. How we doing? It's a Saturday in December here, 2023. Fishing out of Matlacha. Got a group of guys we're fishing with today. We got Sean, we got Elon, we got Shannon back there somewhere, and we're just trying to catch some fish, nothing else. Beautiful morning right now. It's a little chilly, and that's chilly for me. I say it's in the high 60s, but it's supposed to warm up. We got an incoming tide all morning, so most of this first hour and a half we're gonna spend it in some deeper water, some oyster beds out here until the water starts pushing in. That way we have enough water in the and then we'll run the mangrove line and see what we catch on the way back. So we'll see what happens. See you guys soon. There's another one. All right, caught a lady and a trout already. This is the third fish of the morning. Oh, spit it right here. There's Shannon already hooked up. Sean already caught a trout. Oh, it looks like Elon just caught something as well. There's another trout. Thick over here. They're all around this thing. It's gonna be a fishy day. It's a good start. Trout, trout, trout. Get them pumps. Oh, there you go. Lady? Oh, there's someone. Oh, they're just pushed up against it now.
Yeah, probably the Dolphins pushed them up in.
Yeah, they're just really up against it right now. This is a trout. Oh, quick release. There's someone. Snook. Little guy. Snook. What's going on here? Good trout, guys. Look at this big guy, he's bleeding, so we're gonna let him go, but good size one. Oh. Come on, man. He's foul hooked, guys, so I have to be very careful how I grab this guy. There we go. There's something. There you go. He went back. There you go. Nice. Nice. Got him. Snook? Oh, shit. There you go. There you go. Dolphin already over here. That didn't take long. Another one. He's got both his fangs. He's got fangs. Who? You? Turn into it, turn into it, turn into it. Cobia? You saw it? It's a cobia?
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Yee! Oh, she ain't no keeper, but she's a nice one. Yeah, baby. On which, your shrimp? Jolene? Oh, 1, 2, 3. I got him. Good one, man. Good one.
Killing it today.
Shit. There's your slam. You get a snook, you get a grand slam.
24.
24. God, if that was a keeper, I would have put that in. I would have left right now. I would have left. I would have went straight home because I don't have anything to fit him in.
I'm gonna cut him in half and stick him in my cooler. Let his feet dangle out the back.
Oh, there they are. There he is. There's a few of them right there. There's a few of them right there. Thought they were reds, but no. Really? Well, there's some confidence now in it. Shannon's on fuego today. Slot red, Cobia. Just need that Snook. Or get a triple tail over there. Oh, there's one. Yeah, he wanted that shit. I wasn't even doing anything. Yeah. Come on, I just need a red. Oh. Oh, nice. Those are rare. Those are rare. I think my PB for that one's like 30" or 2.
This was about as 20.
Yeah, we just been catching a bunch of trout right here. But yeah, he pulled a Cobia out of there. Yeah. Wasn't a keeper, but it's a Cobia. Oh, there he is. Yep. Oh, they're still there. That's that NLBN. There's another one. Oh, that's like 3 in a row. There's another one. It was cool. I was kind of watching over there. I saw that whole thing happen. I wish I was.
See that skip underneath the mangrove?
I wasn't. I couldn't see that good. I just saw. Oh shit! That's a. I thought you had a Snook.
No.
Let me get closer. Yeah. Maybe 16, 17. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Red. I thought. Yeah, it's a red. I thought it was a Snook. I say we go on this side.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a keeper. It's one of the better ones of the day. He's a little chunker. Ay, cabrón. He's a chunker. Okay, guys, that's a keeper. He'll eat. Oh, trout. Damn, he ate that like a red though. He made me think he was a red for a second. Look at you, you little overachiever, you. Yeah, I mean, I thought he was something real. I thought I was in for a good fight, and then this guy comes out. It's all right. I like him too. He'll grow up. Red. Right at the choke point, guys, where they're supposed to be. The slot red. Guy, nothing to brag about. Let's see where he's at. $20 inch red. To harvest them. I have one in the cooler right now, at the fridge right now, so we'll let him go. So he can go and get bigger. Gone. Trout. Get him! There we go. Double up. Double up. Elon just hooked up to a trout back there. We just need Shannon to step up his game and we could triple up. Oh, even worse now, Shannon. Trout here, huh? They're everywhere. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Okay. Good Lord. Yeah, this is keeper. Oh, yay. Another one, that's a keeper. Woo. He did not want to be held. Troutski. Oh, there's another one. They're here. They're definitely here. he is. Yee-hee. There he is. Look at this dude. Catching fish. Catching fish. Oh. Spit it. Come here. What the hell happened? Ah! Oh my God. Well, he definitely just ruined my spot. He literally just, look, he just went right through it. Right through it. Oh, there's two of them. You guys want this? Here. Trout, guys. There's someone good. Ooh, where's your fight? You ain't, there's no way you're done yet. Oh my God. Oh, that's a good one. He is a good one. He's staying under me now. So much shit on here. It's a good one. He wasn't close to the mangroves either. He hit outside. Oh, come on. He done. Got it?
That's a nice fish.
Oh yeah, he don't suck. Let's see where he's at. He don't suck. 26 and a quarter. Woo! Look at this guy on the Wise Guys tackle. It's the gold digging. Bam! He gone. Another one. Smaller. It's a red. Way smaller one. Look at this guy. Sheep's head. He's way too small, but I'd like to catch one of these as a keeper. Puffer.